In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise cards on your travels and save money. Traveling can be expensive, but with a bit of planning and utilizing the right tools, you can manage your finances smartly while abroad. Let's dive into how you can make the most out of Wise cards during your journeys. First off, open your web browser and navigate to the Wise homepage. It's the starting point for managing all your transactions and ensuring that your travel expenses are in check. Once you're there, look for the button or tab that says Add Money in Advance. This feature lets you preload your Wise account with the necessary funds you'll need during your trip. By adding money in advance, you're taking a proactive step to avoid unexpected financial hiccups while on the go. Next, it's time to select the currency of the country you're traveling to. This is crucial because it allows you to hold and spend money in the local currency, often reducing currency conversion fees that can add up over the course of a trip. If you've already got funds in another currency within your Wise account, you can convert them into the required currency with a few clicks. This flexibility ensures you're always ready to make purchases or pay for services in the local currency without any hassle. After setting up your currency, you'll want to navigate to the cards section of the Wise platform. Here, you'll find various options that can further enhance your travel experience. One cost-effective option is the digital card, which can be used for online transactions. Digital cards are secure and can help you manage your spending with ease. They work just like a physical card but are much quicker to set up, making them extremely convenient, especially for those spontaneous online purchases you might make when traveling. Furthermore, Wise offers a physical card, which is a great companion for in-person transactions while exploring new places. Do note that it's important to request this card in advance before your travel begins. This way, you'll have it in your hands, ready to be used at any point during your trip. A physical card is especially handy in places where digital payments aren't widely accepted. By following these steps and utilizing both digital and physical Wise cards, you stand to save significantly on those pesky conversion and service fees that can often surprise travelers when they get their statements. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to using Wise cards on your travels to not only make your journey smoother, but also to save you money, keeping you within budget and stress-free. Happy travels!